Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to you all in our English language class. I hope you all are fine. I'm your English teacher Sidra, and today we are going to start our lecture about continuous tenses. I know that you all have already done present continuous and past continuous tenses. So today we will continue the continuous tense third type, which is future continuous tense. But before starting our main topic, I would like to give you a brief introduction, or you can say that brief overview actually, about the present continuous tense which you have already done. This tense is used for actions happening now or for an action that is finished. This tense is also used when action is temporary, means that present continuous tense is used for actions which is happening now. Right now, whatever you are doing, it is presented in the present continuous tense. And this action has not been finished when you are talking about this. Means, I am delivering a lecture to class 4 students. This is called present continuous tense, in which I am doing the work and it is not completed yet when I am talking about it. This tense is also used when the action is temporary, means it is not for the long lasting time. These are some examples here. The boys are playing with the ball, means the boys are playing right now with the ball and it is not completed yet. The action of playing is not completed yet. I am singing at the party today. We sometimes also use this tense when we are confirmed to do something in future, but a shorter period of time in between present and that future. Mark is not making pizza right now. They are not eating lunch right now. Is she laughing? Are they listening to the teacher? These all are the examples of present continuous tense. Now, the past continuous tense is used to describe actions that began in the past and often continued for a short period of time after the action started. Means, this tense, which is past continuous tense, is used to describe that something was going on in the past time. The past time of that work was that particular time about which somebody is asking to you. Like if you are giving me reply that what you were doing at 8 o'clock in the morning yesterday. So you will reply that I was going to the school at that time. At that particular time about which you are asking to me, I was going to the school at that time, or I was having breakfast, or I was sleeping at that time, means about which the person is asking to you, you will be going to give that answer in past continuous tense as it is the action which was going on in the past at that particular time. The tense describes action or events that happened at a specific time in the past. These actions are usually no longer happening at the time the sentence is being said or written. Means when I am or somebody is asking to you about previous time, the same action which you were performing at previous time, it is not going on right now. वही काम जिसके बारे में आपसे पूछा जा रहा है वो काम तो ख़त्म हो गया. It was in the continuation in past, but right now in present the work was not going on at that time, but in the past it was going on. मीन्स वो काम हम इस वक्त नहीं कर रहे, वो काम का टाइम गुजर चुका है, बट एट दैट टाइम इट वॉज इन द कंटिन्यूएशन, इट वॉज इन द प्रोग्रेस, वो उस वक्त हो रहा था. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द सन वॉज शाइनिंग ब्राइटली. फॉर सपोज आई आस्क to someone that did you see the sun yesterday morning? It was shining very brightly. Like if somebody asked to you when you were coming to school, what was Alan doing? Then you will reply, Alan was cutting the grass at that time. He is not cutting the grass right now, but it is about past. What you were doing, or why didn't you come to the party? Where you were? I was not feeling well. मीन्स उस वक्त मैं कुछ ठीक फील नहीं कर रहा था, दैट्स वाई आई डिडंट कम टू द पार्टी. आई वॉज स्लीपिंग एट दैट टाइम. आई वॉज विजिटिंग टू द डॉक्टर एट दैट टाइम. वी वर नॉट ट्रेवलिंग व्हेन यू कॉल्ड अस. वर यू स्लीपिंग? वॉज शी कुकिंग? दीज ऑल आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. सो continuous tense is all about V1 ing forms. Okay, whenever we are writing continuous tense, whether it is present continuous or whether it is past continuous, but we will use V1 ing form of the verb, okay, which is sometimes called fourth form also. Okay, we have three forms of verb: present, past and past participle. It is also called fourth form of the verb, which is ing form. Okay, but sometimes. So this is the tense of continuation of action which are in progress. So continuous tense always use ing form, whether it is present continuous, whether it is past continuous, or whether it will be future continuous. You have to use V1 plus ing. Now, this is our today's main topic, which is future continuous tense, in which we will be talking about the work which will be going on in the future. वो सारे काम जो हम कल इस वक्त कर रहे होंगे. About those all work we talk in future continuous tense. Now, when and why do we use future continuous tense? हम कब और क्यों यूज़ करते हैं? As I told you that whenever we are talking about our future work, that we will be doing this thing in future. We will be having English class yesterday at 9 o'clock. Okay, so it will be going on in future. So this is called future continuous tense. Now look at the screen very carefully, that future continuous tense or future progressive tense. Continuous can also be called progressive tense. Continuous or progressive, they both are same. Present continuous or present progressive, past continuous and past progressive, future continuous and future progressive, they all are same. Okay, in this tense we will be using will be as a helping verb plus verb ing form. As it is continuous tense, progressive tense, so you have to always use ing form in the structure, and helping verb will be changed according to present, past and future tenses. So in present we were using is, am, are. In past tense we were using was and were. Now in future we will be using will be. For example, I will be singing in the concert tomorrow. Now we are talking about the future time, so we will use will be here, that मैं इस वक्त कल concert में गाना गा रही होंगी. Okay, I will be singing in the concert tomorrow. At this time or at the same time, you can use your own words also, but you have to use a proper structure. Now, when do we use future continuous tense? Action in progress at a time in the future means if you are talking about a particular time about of the future, and at that time something will be happening, something will be in the progress, so you have to use this tense. I will be meeting Tom this Saturday. No, I cannot come in the party of yours this Saturday because I am busy why you are busy and where you are busy this weekend. So what will I say? I will be meeting Tom this Saturday. I will be meeting Tom this weekend. कि मैं उससे इस सैटरडे को मिल रहा होऊंगा या मिल रही होंगी. So we have to use will be when we will talk about or we talk about the future time and something will be happening at that time. So we use will be plus V1 ing. We also use this type of tense when interrupted action in the future happens. Like the word when is usually used. For example, she will be waiting for you when you arrive. जब तुम पहुँचोगे तो वो तुम्हारा वेट कर रही होगी. She will be waiting for you when you arrive. It is also used when parallel action in the future means two actions at the same time will be going on. Then also we use future continuous tense. The words while or and are usually used at that time when the parallel actions in the future will be going on. For example, Sam will be dancing while Paul will be singing. Sam dance कर रहा होगा जब Paul singing कर रहा होगा. Means something about future that when Sam will be dancing while Paul will be singing. Two parallel actions are happening in the future at the same time. There we use future continuous or future progressive tense. So what do we get from this timing of future continuous tense? Then we use future continuous tense when the work is in progress in the time of future, when interrupted actions happens in the future, and when the parallel actions means they both are going side by side, साथ साथ हो रहे होंगे. Parallel actions in the future would be happening. Then also we use future continuous tense or future progressive tense. So future continuous tense, we have done positive sentences which are also called affirmative sentences. For example, first one with the mark of plus, okay, you can see that subject plus will be plus V1 ing form, which is also called present participle. Ing form is also called present participle. We have four forms of the verb, as I told you, that present, past, past participle and present participle. Present participle is called V1 ing forms of the verb. So you have to arrange the words according to the structure. I, which is subject, will be, which is the helping verb of this tense, then V1 ing, singing in the concert tomorrow. So according to the structure, we have to use will be plus V1 ing form, which is also called present participle form. In negative, what you have to do? You just have to put not between the two helping verbs which is present in this tense, will and be. Whenever we are having two helping verbs in any tense, so not of negative sentence का जो not है, it will be placed in between these two helping verbs. We split the helping verb and put not between them. Subject plus will not be, then V1 ing form, which is also called present participle form, and then object will be there. Then time. Obviously when you will be using future continuous tense, so you have to use time also over there. So the sentence will be I will not be singing in the concert tomorrow. कि कल मैं concert में गाना नहीं गा रहा हूँगा. Now there is interrogative form of sentence, which is will plus subject plus be. Again you have to split will be को split करना है and put subject between these two helping verbs. Will you be singing in the concert tomorrow? It will become the interrogative sentence. Now look at these two columns which are in yellow and blue color. In yellow color you are having the usage of this tense, and there is in blue color some examples of this tense according to the usage. To describe interrupted actions in the future, as we have already done in the previous slide. For example, when you come tomorrow, they will be playing tennis. There is an interruption of action. Number second is to express actions in progress at a specific time in the future, means something or some work, some action will be in the progress, in the continuation at the specific time. For example, at 12 o'clock tomorrow we will be having lunch at school. Okay, when we are talking about a future time, future specific time, then also we use this tense. Then next one is to refer to actions that are happening now and expected to continue in the future, means something which is happening now and it will be in the continuation in future also. For example, unfortunately sea levels will still be rising in 20 years, means abhi bhi it is still rising. It is rising right now and in future 20 years it will be still rising, मीन्स अभी भी हो रहा है और नेक्स्ट 20 ईयर्स तक भी ये काम होता रहेगा. देन ऑल्सो वी यूज दिस टेंस. नेक्स्ट, टू आस्क अ क्वेश्चन पोलाइटली अबाउट द फ्यूचर, मीन्स आई एम आस्किंग अबाउट द फ्यूचर. विल यू बी कमिंग इन माई पार्टी टुमारो? ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, विल यू बी ब्रिंगिंग योर फ्रेंड्स टू द पार्टी टुनाइट? सो पोलाइट questions, polite request you can also use in this future continuous tense. Next one, to emphasize future plans and intentions. You are planning and you are intending to do something in future, then also you use in this type of tense. For example, he will be coming to visit us next week. Then next, to describe atmosphere in the future. When I arrive at the party, everybody will be celebrating, some will be dancing, means you are imagining, you are creating a scene in front of your eyes what will be happening in the future. To describe the atmosphere, to describe the surrounding condition, you can also use this type of sentence. Next, to express parallel actions or series of parallel actions in the future, as we already done, that she will be watching TV and he will be cooking dinner. You read here while, but we have already read that the word while or and both are usually used in parallel actions in the future. So while is already used here, and here you can see and will be using here, that she will be watching TV and he will be cooking dinner, means two parallel actions will be going on at the same time. I have made two sentences over here. I'll be getting late. If I'll be waiting for you, then I'll be getting late. अगर मैं तुम्हारा वेट करूँगा तो मैं लेट हो रहा हूँगा. I will be running tomorrow at this time. Okay, these all are the sentences which is about future continuous tense, and in yellow color you can see that how and when we can use these types of sentences. Now you people can also make some sentences by using this tense. I dash write my exam this time tomorrow. When we will be changing it into future continuous tense, what we will be doing? We have to use will be and then present participle kind of verb. It will become I will be writing my exam this time tomorrow. Number 2 is we dash watch a movie in the evening. We will be watching a movie in the evening. Number 3, they dash celebrate their anniversary next month. They will be celebrating their anniversary next month. So by using will be and present participle kind, present participle form of verb, you can easily make future continuous tenses. This is also a kind of future continuous tense that we will be singing. You can practice at your home by asking to your friends, to your siblings, to your parents that what will you be doing, what will you be doing tomorrow at this time, what will you be doing next month at this time. Okay, if you have planned to do something, then you can converse, you can have a good conversation about future continuous tense by asking these types of questions. This is also some translation as I already explained you with the Urdu and English sentences. You can see Urdu sentences over here. मैं दरवाजे को ताला लगा रहा हूँगा. I will be locking the door. वो कल रात कराची जा रहे होंगे. They will be or they shall be going to Karachi next night or the coming night or tomorrow night. It is misprinting over here that last night, क्योंकि last night it is about past. We are talking about future. Okay, मुसाफिर ने अपना सांस रोक लिया होगा. The travelers will not be holding his breath. हम क्लास से बाहर नहीं निकले होंगे. We will not be leaving the classroom. क्या तुम छत पर उछल रहे होगे? Will you be jumping on the roof? So these are some Urdu and English words, sentences which you can easily talk about in the future continuous tense. I hope you all are having good lecture and you have already all understood about this lecture which we had about future continuous tense, and after the completion of this future continuous tense we have completed all continuous tenses. So practice it at your home with your siblings, with your parents, by asking about the future plannings of them. You will be having a very good conversation. Thank you so much everybody. I hope you will be staying at home, taking care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Till the next time.